Among Us.
Day 3 of drawing people as Among Us characters. Ariana Grande. Who should I do next?
After you have requested this many times, I finally did it. Here's an Among Us cake. I had a little bit of extra free time while I was waiting for my cakes to freeze, and I found this little piece of cake, so I cut it to the size I needed. And I tried not to make frostings, but I did have to make a few of them, but I just made a little tiny batch. And then I just piped that on top. I know I've said this before, but piping these straight lines while recording is so difficult. And to be honest, I still haven't played this game, so maybe I'll try it out tonight. My coworker said that's my homework.
Among Us.
Did you use the word smart? Don't ever use the word smart with me. Don't ever use that word.
Oh, give me a break.
Because you know what? There's nothing smart about you, Joe. 47 years you've done nothing.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. All I need is to be struck by.
Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I made Among Us pancakes, and the girls are obsessed with playing this game, so I wanted to surprise them, and they came out so cute. Now I'm gonna cut a baby cucumber. Baby cucumbers are super crunchy, so we love these. I'm doing my zigzag cuts around the cucumber, You just cut them diagonally in a zigzag pattern and you pull them apart. It comes out like this. I'm not sure what it is, a flower, maybe a starburst. Regardless, it's so cute. And I'm adding some baby carrots and s'mores goldfish. It comes with little baby marshmallows and a Baby Bell cheese. And now for the note, I'm writing, who did it? Red is sus. And red is usually me. I love being the imposter. And the girls get so sad when I kill them, but it's pretty funny.
Among Us. Among Us. Us. Among Us. Us. Us.
I found a body beside the reactor.
Somebody killed Orange? Oh, you bastard!
What we gonna do? This is a disaster.
Everybody calm down and tell me what your task was.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's